How do I incorporate nature into our daily routine? As a mother, I believe in teaching my children through experiences that ignite their curiosity and passion. What kind of trips do we usually take with our children? Every week we embark on teaching trips, our way of exploring and learning about our planet together. How do these experiences shape understanding? By showing them the beauty and fragility of nature, I hope to inspire a generation that values our planet. These trips are more than just adventures. They're a promise to future generations. A promise that we did our part. Because saving our planet starts with understanding it. And that's a lesson I'm grateful to teach week after week. Join us in preserving our animal kingdom. Together we can make a difference. All we need to do is take the time to teach our children.